Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIGI3. So in this video we're going to show you how to create group chat on Instagram. So let's start the video. First what you have to do is come on your home page, then you have to swipe right, and then you can see here the primary and general section, and above that there's a right hand side top corner, there's a notepad icon here on the top corner, right hand side top corner. Then you have to click here, and what you have to do is basically select your friends with whom you want to create a group. So I'm selecting my friends here. So after selecting my friends, what I have to do is click on the chat option here. So the group is not formed yet. So in order to form the group, what I have to do is just send a message. And after sending this message, you can see that the group is formed. So once I go back, I can see on the primary section, the group is created. So that's how you can create a group in your Instagram with your friends. So that's it everyone. I hope you guys like this video. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you.